It's from here, 200 and then 72,000, 400. So how do we count our unit price? So I have to take my 72,000 bahagi with 200. I will get my unit price. So your mission here is to calculate your unit price. Boleh? Because your total value is given, your quantity of box is given. So now the same thing for your balances. Okay, what will happen to my balances? Okay, so this one you take note, how you do entry in your balances part. So now the 13th January is considered done. So after 13th January, only 8th February is my next receipt. So I will have to repeat this over here before I key in my 400. Because this is my opening balance. This is my February balance. Understand? But when I do my calculation, I won't take this because it's a repeated. But in my FIFO method of Excel entry, I have to key in. So to make it even more clear, you can have a gap. Because this is January, this is February. There is differences. So when I come to my February, I have to bring down my balances. So now when I tambah, it is 600 unit price and everything. This is my calculation. This Excel you will need to prepare in your company, because based on this only you will do your tax submissions and everything all. Okay, so this one don't need unit price, tak payah. Don't need to do calculation. Only this 600 and 224. Clear? So this is for until 8 February. You want to put a line also can. You don't want to put a line also can. Okay. So now moving on next will be my which month? 10 February. Okay. Before I go into my March, you see I have sales. Okay, you see 13 January, 8 February, and then after that straight away to 11 March. But in between 10 February, I got my sales. So I go into my year. I will just leave one space. Okay, I'll mula with my 10 Feb. Okay, so I won't put under receipts. I'll put under my issue. So here how much? 200. How much is the value? How much is the value?
200.
Am I writing correct? Is it 200 ke?
250,000.
Huh? Okay, then. What I will write? Anyone? Besides whoever answer? Nobody wants to try. Okay, so maybe you do what? These issues part, don't do first. Okay, ignore first. Now you just leave about 3 space. Do a quota. Leave out your quota of 3 space. Okay, and then you move to your entry. Understand the entry to do for this coming in one first. Receipts 11 March. Don't want to pening you guys immediately. So 11 March, back to your, do the entry for 600, 400 and also 500. And before you go to your 500 June, you will have another one 20 April 600. So again, you have to give one box here space. So for 11 March, we will have here 600 and then you will have here 400 because your value is 240,000. Okay? Can? You guys can try? Nak try ke tak nak? But I will still need to explain this part. I'm just little worried that you guys will go blue. Okay? You have to understand here we are getting 500, right? So when we say it's a 500, the entry is going to be in such way. Okay? Which is 200 and 300. Why am I taking 200 and 300? Who can give me this explanation? Hmm?
Because the FIFO method need to take the first price, the 200.
Why am I using?
The balance 300
Yes,
should be the second prices.
correct. Because first in,
First out.
correct. You understand? Yeah. So this 200 and 300 is your FIFO's method. First in, first out. So now you will do your closings for your 500. Okay. So now over here, what is going to be your balance? You will take your balance from here. You will tolak. It will be 100. And then here will be 380. And then your ending balance is going to be 38,000. Okay. Don't worry. You later will have time to go back and then ulang kaji about this before. I won't go into the last in, first out method. Okay. You focus on this. So now moving into your 600. Then you have to bring down your balance. Remember, always in accounts, you have to bring down your opening balance. So now this remain. You will take it to this balance. So what will be my new costing? 600 number with this and this. Okay, unit we won't take it. Can, and then you will have another one on the 12th April. So for 12th April, what I will do? I will have 400. given here 400. So after bahagi, I'll find out my unit is 350. So my calculation, my this one will be how much? 140,000. Okay, can
Can.
you guys okay? So for this, what I will be doing, I will even take my entire amount for March and then come down here, and then I will take even my May and then go down here. So now when I plus all, okay, so this is called accumulations of inventory. Like how we have accumulated depreciation. So far, you guys managed to get these figures all or not?
Yes.
You will never understand in one teaching. Later you'll have to view the video back, then only you'll be able to pick up from why am I tracing, why am I taking all this information all. Okay? I truly aware that will never be easy to understand in one class. Okay, now move to your 20 April. But because we have recording, so I'm daring to move on. So now this will be 100 and 500. Why 100 and 500? Then unit price will never change for this and now become 400. So over here will be 38,000 and 200,000. I will really need your guys' cooperation to please refer back to video. Okay, humble request. So now it's 238,000 and then your balance now will be
100
what?
or 400. 100 for
Yes,
100.
100. Then okay, so you put here, it becomes
100.
500.
350.
So this now will be 400 and 350. Okay, your unit price now, your new unit price will be 350 from here. So now here it's 40,000 and then 140,000. Okay, so you close for your April as well. June 15, okay, this one we have 500 and then we have 280 and then we have your 140,000. So over here, back with your 100, 400 and 500. So here will be 400, 350 and also 280. So this entire will be 1000 and then here will be Darab so will be this. Okay, so then when you plus, okay, this is until 15 June. And then when you continue with your 25 June, which is your issues, 25 June, I will have my year, 100, 300, which is equals to 400. And then here now will be 400, 350. You will badly need to do your revision, okay? Because what we see here, it's what you will practice in your company. Then you'll follow with your balances of 100, 500, you will get 600. And then 350, 280, you will get 35,000 and 140,000. So once you get this, you plus. So this is for your 25 June. Okay, and then the last one is your ending 30 June. $350, 35,500, and then 280, and your ending inventory will be 140,000. Okay, so what we have to conclude? What will I conclude? So you see how many boxes we have? Here we have 100, here we have 500. So when I tola, it will be 400 boxes. But my question is saying what? June 30 was 500 boxes. So I have 100 boxes different. So this should be treated as a stock loss. Okay, but I don't want to go into all that. Okay, your revision is going to be understanding how we did this entire calculation. So this 100, this 380, this 600, you guys are going to take your own initiative to find out from where is all this information coming. Okay, it's the calculation. You can even tamba, tola, and find out where is it from. Okay, can?
Yes, miss.
So this is your ending balance of inventory, and then the boxes here, you only have 400. So which way you will take your 500 minus with 100 to bring down your balance, only 400, but the question is saying 500. So there is difference of 1,000 box. So it's a loss. So what I will say for that? Okay, you guys got any question or not? You guys want to ask me regarding this? I understand it's not easy to prepare, but you guys also have to put some initiative to know from where we taking all these informations and everything. but it's all here. Okay, you're just going to crack your mind only for this part, this issues part. Other than that, it's all easy. Only this one. You have to give some, you have to put effort to find out this figure. Okay, here no issue. I'm very sure you guys are okay. Only this part. Can? So what you're going to do in the class is, okay, you are going to write notes, or either you are going to, you add insert text, or either you can even just like do your equals here, show the calculations, how we get the figure, and you will send me back the Excel. This will be considered as an assessment. So I won't send out any assessment, but I want you guys to do this. Show me how you get the balances, how we get this 100, how we get this 350, all this by doing your equation in the Excel itself. If you want to put into insert text box also okay, or you want to do under equals also okay. Okay? Can? Do I need to send out this Excel again? Should I send this Excel? Okay, I will send, and also I'll post the complete recordings for even the revision class yesterday and everything all in a short one. Any question, guys? If no, I will end here. Okay? See you guys in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye. So when you're doing your revision, when you're doing your equation in your Excel sheet, if you have that time any questions, you can ask. And even you can discuss in the group with your other members as well. If you want to openly ask any questions or something, you are allowed, okay? Okay, take care. Good night. See you all. Do practice the variable cost, fixed cost, understand it, because I don't want to give an assessment and then you won't be able to focus on this calculating about this before.